What's up guys, this is Dave from Crux Motorsports. Going to be showing you how to apply the rear bumper reflector overlay on this Ford Mustang. This is a 2019. These are going to be marked D for driver's side, and then the passenger side is blank. This is an air release film, so you're going to be applying this product dry. First you want to start by cleaning the area. Go ahead and peel your material back from the backing paper. Get it aligned. You're going to leave a little bit of an overhang to where that marker starts to roll over. Once you get it aligned, just go ahead and work the material with your fingertip, pressing it down firmly. And now we're going to hit this edge with a little bit of heat to roll the material up into that gap. Also going to get a squeegee, how to grab that. This gap is a little bit tight, unlike the other overlays on this car. Just use a squeegee to push that material into the gap. I'm gonna go back over and hit this with heat. There are raised letters on here and a little dimple. You heat that section and it's gonna sit the best it can over that area. There you have it. This is the dark smoke air release film. I have this available in a light smoke air release as well. A couple different color options. The different colors would need applied wet. If you see air release on any of the films on our website, that is a dry application. If you have any questions, give a shout on our contact page. There'll be a link to this product in the description below. Thanks for watching.